1 minute to learn Chinese. Today we're going to learn tofu. In Chinese, the pronunciation of tofu is doufu. So why the pronunciation is tofu in English? We have to go back to revisit the history. There was a prince in Anhui province in Han Dynasty called Liu An. He recruited many alchemists and Taoism monks to help him develop the recipe of some medicine to help him prolong his life. After many experiments, accidentally they found the recipe of tofu. While in Tang Dynasty, Zen Buddhists took the recipe of tofu to Japan. And in Japan, tofu gradually gained popularity. So ancient Japanese called tofu Tang Dynasty bean curd. So the pronunciation is Tang Chao Doufu, and it's abbreviated as Tang Fu. In Japanese, the pronunciation of Tang Fu is tofu. That's how we got tofu. Be careful when you say you like eating tofu. 我喜欢吃豆腐. Be really careful here. 吃豆腐 can mean something bad. It can mean men flirt with women or men take advantage of women in an inappropriate way. So that's word tofu. Doufu. Do you remember it? What's the next word you want to learn? Leave a comment below. We will make it happen. Stay tuned. Bye bye.